Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over the random functions. We'll first use the rand function and then we'll use the rand between function. So the rand function is going to return a number between 0 and 0.99. So let's head over to cell A71 and we'll type equals rand. I'll hit tab. We can close our parentheses and hit enter. We can take this and drag it down to cell A74. You'll notice every time you do something, it's going to refresh and give you a new random number. So let's say we actually just wanted to take these and paste them as values. So if I select everything, I'll do Control-C on my keyboard. That'll make me copy it. And then up at the top, we'll be on the Home tab. We'll go to Paste, and we'll hit the drop down. We'll go down to Paste Special, and we can just click Values and click OK. So now these are just values and will not change when we perform new calculations. Okay, next we'll go over to C71 and we'll type equals rand between. I'll hit tab. It's asking me for the bottom number, so that's going to be the lowest amount it could be. So I'll put a 10 and then I'll type a comma, and our top value is going to be 100. So we want it to give us a random number from 10 to 100. So I'll close my parentheses and hit enter. Same thing as before. Let's drag this down to C74. And every time we change something on the worksheet, since it's a random function, it's going to change the value it's giving us. So again, let's say we wanted to keep these as 81, 100, 43, and 60. I'll just select everything, Control-C on my keyboard to copy it. I'll go to Paste, Paste Special, Values, OK.